The Olympic Games are held after every 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Correct option है B, 4 years. Kindergarten refers to a small garden, a nursery school, a children playground, a children ward in hospital. Correct option है B, a nursery school. Kindergarten जर्मन लैंग्वेज का वर्ड है. किंडर का मतलब है चिल्ड्रन और गार्टन का मतलब है गार्डन. Who is the founder of social media network Facebook? Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Mark Zuckerberg. Correct option है D. Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of Facebook. What is meant by petticoat government? A government in exile, a government run by a woman, a government without actual powers, a government run by some feudal lords. Correct option है B. A government run by a woman. ATM stands for American Trademark Automated Teller Machine, Auto Telling Machine, none of these. Correct option है B. Automated Teller Machine. The second largest religion of the world is Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Hinduism. Correct option है A. Islam is the second largest religion of the world. पहले नंबर पर क्रिश्चियनिटी है. Nelson Mandela was the president of Zimbabwe, Zaire, South Africa, Nigeria. Correct option है C. South Africa. CNG is an abbreviation of converted natural gas, conducted natural gas, compressed natural gas, constructed natural gas. Correct option है C. Compressed natural gas. Sri Lanka was formerly known as Seychelles, Serendip, Taipei, Ceylon. Correct option है B. Serendip is the old name of Sri Lanka. People of which country are known as Kiwis? Australia, England, New Zealand, South Africa. Correct option है C. New Zealand. Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan, Armenia, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan. Correct option है A. Azerbaijan. Mossad is the secret intelligence agency of Russia, Israel, Iran, Canada. Correct option है B. Israel. Which among the following cricketer is referred as the Don? Wasim Akram, Gary Sobers, Donald Bradman, Vivian Richards. Correct option है C. Donald Bradman is the Don. Scotland Yard is a police department of United Kingdom, USA, Scotland, New Zealand. Correct option है A. United Kingdom. Scotland Yard is the police department of UK. Dolly was the name of first cloned sheep, first test tube baby, oldest human fossil, first dog in space. Correct option है A. First cloned sheep. Which theory of justice is based on the principle kill the sin, not the sinner? Retributive theory, reformative theory, deterrent theory, none of these. Correct option है B. Reformative theory. Onyx is a kind of marble, apple, drink, bird. Correct option है A. Marble. The chemical name of common salt is sulfuric acid, sodium chloride, nitrogen, phosphorus. Correct option है B. Sodium chloride. Ozone layer protects life on Earth from ultraviolet rays, greenhouse gases, CFCs, carbon dioxide. Correct option है A. Ultraviolet rays. Sunlight falling on our skin causes to produce vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Correct option है D, vitamin D. Capital punishment means death sentence, confiscation of property, life imprisonment, huge fine. Correct option है A, death penalty. Hematology is the study of sound, space, blood, insects. Correct option है C, blood. Which of the following is not a primary color? Red, green, blue, orange. Correct option है D, orange is not a primary color. Red, green and blue are primary colors. Which component of the diet prevents constipation? Minerals, fiber, protein, vitamins. Correct option है B, fiber. Which of the following sports is associated with Davis Cup? Football, chess, tennis, boxing. Correct option है C, tennis. Synagogue is the place of worship of which religion? Confucianism, Judaism, Buddhism, none of these. Correct option है Judaism. यहूदियों की worship place है synagogue. Where was Albert Einstein born? UK, USA, Germany, Albania. Correct option है C, Germany. अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन जर्मनी में पैदा हुआ जबकि यूएसए में फौत हुआ. The Eiffel Tower is located in Germany, France, Italy, Australia. Correct option है B, France. आईफल टावर फ्रांस के शहर पेरिस में है. Napoleon Bonaparte was the king of France, Italy, England, none of these. Correct option है France. Buyman is the name of airline of Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, France, Bangladesh. Correct option है D, Bangladesh. Who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, I.A. Bunin. Correct option है B, R.N. Tagore. The highest capital in the world is Belize, La Paz, Quito, none of these. Correct option है B, La Paz. और ये कैपिटल है बोलिविया का. Riksdag is the parliament of Iran, Iraq, Sweden, United States. Correct option है C, Sweden. First president of USA, Thomas Jefferson, John Hamilton, George Washington, none of these. Correct option है C, George Washington was the first president of USA. Niagara Falls are situated in France, Italy, Sweden, USA and Canada. Correct option है D, USA and Canada. Nobel Prize is awarded in America, Norway, Sweden, both B and C यानी नॉर्वे और स्वीडन. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी है B, both B and C यानी नॉर्वे और स्वीडन में नोबेल प्राइज दिया जाता है. नोबेल पीस प्राइज नॉर्वे के शहर ओस्लो में दिया जाता है जबकि बाकी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री वगैरह स्वीडन के शहर स्टॉकहोम में दिए जाते हैं. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Arctic, Atlantic, Pacific, Indian. Correct option है C, Pacific Ocean. Which country's flag is known as Union Jack? France, Romania, UK, Poland. Correct option है C, UK. Birr is the currency of Ethiopia, Bosnia, Zambia, Nigeria. Correct option है A, Ethiopia. What does word geo mean? Plant, environment, earth, animal. Correct option है C, earth. What is meant by the term fourth estate? Birds protection, press, environmental pollution, law. Correct option है B. Press and journalism is called the fourth estate. Waterloo is located in Belgium, France, Germany, Italy. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए बेल्जियम. वाटरलू एक सिटी है जो बेल्जियम में है. Xenophobia is a fear of birds, darkness, strangers, none of these. Correct option है C. Strangers. Pisa Tower is located in Italy, Germany, France, Paris. Correct option है A. Italy. United Nations came into existence 1941, 42, 43, 45. Correct option है D. 1945. Headquarters of ILO, International Labour Organization, is located in Geneva, Vienna, Paris, Rome. Correct option है A. Geneva. Land of maple leaf is New York, Canada, Malta, Berlin. Correct option है B. Canada. Land of rising sun is Japan, Norway, Ireland, Thailand. Correct option है A. Japan. Durand Line is a boundary line between Germany and USA, USA and Russia, US and France, पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी. पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान के दरमियान बाउंड्री लाइन है. द अर्थ मूव्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, साउथ टू नॉर्थ. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए. वेस्ट टू ईस्ट.